Hello everyone. So here is another NMAT input-output question. Okay, for this one we are given this table. So I've also placed calculator here so to make demonstration easier. What is output 1? That is stage 1. This is the output 1. But this is 5 and this is also 5. But this is 5 and this is 5. But the letters, the words are not the same, but both of them contains 5, 5, 5. Okay, so they have 5, 5, but the letters are not the same. Okay, so that's a clue. So that is a clue already. But if we notice, but don't just think this is a straightforward thinking. No. But one thing we do, or one thing, if you solve a number of these questions, they have something to do with the English alphabet. And for this one, in the English alphabet, you can think of what is 5. What is common here? There's 5 vowels here and 5 vowels here. Maybe you can try. And if you also try the second one, this one, you also notice that there are 8 vowels. That means vowels are working. So let's take it. There are vowels. So 5 represents how many vowels contain here. The next thing is to process this 5. But for this particular one, if you notice, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Let's do the other one. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So that pattern is working. So to get output stage 2 is to say the output 1, which now becomes input. 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 times 5, 30. Then 5 times 30 is 150. Also 8 times 72. 8 times 72 is it 576? 8 times 72 equals 576. So 1 times 2 will give us 3. If you also notice, you see that 150 minus 30 minus 5 will give us 115. Then we can also try it here. 576 minus 72 minus 8. That is 496. So we have also decoded that one. It's now remaining the last output, stage 5. If you notice, you see that now that we have 496 minus the individual digits, that is minus 4, minus 9, minus 6, that will give us 477. So we have decoded all. Solving the questions will be much easier since we have decoded the pattern. Here comes the question. If the output at stage 1 is 9, then what will be the output at stage 4? This is very easy. This will be very easy. So they are saying that the corresponding vowel is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 9 is 90. Then the next stage is 9 times 90. 9 times 90. 9 times 90 is 810. I know some of you will be saying that calculator is not allowed in NMAT, but first, know how to do something. Second, know how to do it faster or do it without calculator. We know the next stage will be 810 minus 90. 810 minus 90 minus 9. That will give us 711. So here is 711. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the output stage 4 that they're asking. Yes, 711. That's how we got 711. So thank you and see you next time.